Hi guys, so today I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about streaming on live video on YouTube and on Facebook via Zoom. Just normal, the intro is not like deep, so I'm going to, if you want, this is what you want to learn today, I'm going to teach you that. I'm also going to teach you about pricing and payment plans on Zoom, how you can upgrade your account to be able to access this feature. So I'm going to start with that, but if this is what you want to learn, stay to the end of this video and then you get to know. I also have a free tip on how to get 50% discount on Zoom. It's a trick I learned recently and I've been using it. If this is also what you want to know, if Zoom is charging a lot of money and you want to get up to 50% outright payment, you'll sit to the end of this meeting. I'll give you that as a tip. But before we continue, make sure you go down to below this video and click on the subscribe button. Subscription is free. Subscribe to this channel so that you can be getting updates about learning how to use new apps, learning how to use different other things, experiment, and so many other things that you thought you knew, but you get to know more. So stay to the end of this video and I'll take you to that. Alright, so let's get into it immediately. So I'm going to go to Zoom right now. Alright, so I'm going to click on the Zoom application. This is the Zoom app. Okay, it's here. I'm going to expand it here. That is it. So when you get to this place, you'll see, okay, this is it. So you're going to start a meeting. Normally the way you start a meeting, okay, let me just quickly end this meeting. Nobody's actually in the meeting, so just start the meeting normally. Normal. This is on your laptop. Before you be able to do this, you have to do it from your laptop, so that's for better experience. Okay, it's always better to do it from the laptop, and you'll be able to have everything. When you start, make sure you join your computer audio on your video if you want, or off it. Now start. Now you see all of this because this is more like a script for you to record. It means you want to share a screen. All right, I'm assuming you want to share a screen. So let me just quickly share a screen here. I'm going to share this screen so that you will see, you just have an idea of how it looks like. So this is how your normal screen on Zoom it appears when you're doing a live meeting. Okay, so now what you do is you go on this app, this place it's called More, with the 3 dots at the end of the right screen of this icons here. How to get this is to allow you to drop it, is to hide when you're sharing your screen. Just come here, make sure you unhide it, and then you come. Now when you get to this place, you will see a lot of options. When you click on More, you see record of this computer. The disadvantage of this is that it will just record, and if it's a long meeting up to 2-3 hours, you won't be able to send it manually. So it's just taxed on your computer, except someone comes with a flash drive or a hard drive before they can move the meeting. So it's always cumbersome. So it's always good to have a URL you can just send to those people. They can watch it, the same thing, and they will have a free. So when you get here, you see live on Facebook, and before you have this option, if you're not, in case you're not seeing it on your own, it means you don't have a paid plan on Zoom. You have to have a paid plan on Zoom before you will be able to have all of these options showing here. So you see live on Facebook, live on Workplace or by Facebook, live on YouTube, live on Twitch. I don't know what Twitch is now, but let's check out on YouTube. If you want to stream on YouTube, I'm going to show you payment plans so that you'll be able to have access to all of this video. Immediately you upgrade your account to the cheapest payment plan, you'll be able to see all of this. Now I'm going to show now. Let me click on live on YouTube. Okay, live on YouTube is this one. It will redirect you to another page. So it's it's usually better for you to do this, and then you send the if you want to share the screen later, if you want to send the link later to your participant, you can just do it, and at the end of the day it will give you a link. Or if you want them to join while the meeting is still on, you can also send the link, because it will generate a link automatically. If it's on Facebook, it will also generate a link automatically, and you can share it to them while the meeting is still on. It will still be a live meeting 100%. Okay, all right, so let me continue. I clicked on the email account because you have to choose an account where you have a YouTube channel. You have to have a YouTube channel, or if every Gmail has a YouTube attached to it. So It doesn't have to be a proper YouTube channel like this. It can all just be a random YouTube channel that has never been used and all of that. So broadcast Zoom meeting on YouTube live. See, it's redirecting me to how to broadcast Zoom meeting on my YouTube live. I just pray the internet allows me to do this fast. Okay. All right. So it's connected to my Gmail account now. Now you have to rename the meeting. Is by default it just comes with your name. It's Ebere Bema Zoom meeting live. So you can just name it. Maybe you can just make up masterclass. You can just do this, make up masterclass. You can just name it there. It's more professional when you do this. Now you can leave it on public if you want everybody to Zoom it, to view this meeting. But if you want it to be hidden and only the people that you send the link to will be able to view this, you keep it as unlisted. It won't be public. It won't be on anybody that searches for it will just get it. If you want it, if it's a paid class that you're recording and you want to send the link to anyone that pays, you have to keep it on private. When the link is generated, you can now send it to specifically those people so that nobody will just forward it to anybody and they will start viewing. Okay, so anyone you want to do, okay, let me leave it so listed so that people will not start viewing. They think I'm on live. All right, so now you click on go live. Very easy. When you click on go live, you will be, this meeting is being live streamed. It will allow everybody in your meeting that this meeting is being live streamed, as if they're watching it on live on Zoom. Okay, it will now direct you to redirecting to YouTube. Now this is the interesting part, because when it gets to the YouTube, you will see other options. That is, let me show you how you can copy the link. This meeting is now being live streamed on Zoom. The link has been generated. The people can like, comment. It's a live meeting. It's the same thing on Facebook. It's the same full process. It's not something cumbersome. Just rename it, and you can also start for Facebook. You can select click on. I don't know if I have time to do this. Click on. Let me see if this will do fast. All right, as you can see, this place you can click on share. This is your live meeting now. It's already showing, everything is here, so you can just click on share and it will pop up. When you click on share, it pops up and you can copy the link. I don't know why my network is messing me up this morning, but this is just what it should show you, options of copying to copy, and you just copy it and that is it. You will not share it to anywhere you want to share it to. You can drop it on your Facebook or anywhere you want to share it to. People will join your meeting. I don't know why the network is just too bad this morning. All right, so let me continue. I don't want that to delay me. I'm going to also, so this is, you open in your browser. So you have, if you want to share on Facebook, let me see if I can do that quickly. You have to start this meeting. I don't know why this one has timed me out already. So if you want to share on Facebook, I don't know if this one will open now. God. All right, so as you can see, this place is already showing you share. You can just see this is a link. You can just click on copy and you have copied the link. You have copied it already. You can paste it anywhere. Maybe it's already showing you WhatsApp, Facebook, all the places you can play, or even create a post and all of that. So if that is what you want to do, so I'm going to quickly close this window because I'm done with this tutorial. I'm going to quickly show you guys how you can, this is not open yet, how you can link to Facebook. If you want to do it on Facebook, if you want to share your screen on Facebook, if you do Facebook, you can see live on Facebook here. It's also an option for you. Then you can, it's probably log Zoom broad Facebook. Would you like to continue? Yes. How do I do this? Okay, continue. Okay, I'm trying to live stream on Facebook now. As you can see, it's also showing me the same thing, and I need to just check it. Maybe I say makeup class, master class, something like this. Then it's showing me connect as Ebere Berry. So here, share on your own timeline. I don't want to do this. I can just share on a page that I manage or share on my group. Now let me go to a page I manage. For example, you see that it gives me an option, so you don't just share to your friends. Select a page, kiddo group. You can just select anyone. I can just select on the edge with a beret and just try to set, then I can just click on live. I have a lot of further pages. Just select the particular page you want to stream it to. If it's on a group, you select on a group, the particular group as well, and it will share on your Facebook Live. Then you quickly go to your Facebook, copy the link from Facebook, and then boom, people are joining you. If it's a group, it will notify everybody in the group, or people that are liking that have liked the page, that this page is now currently live, and this is it. You see, so this is just how it's run. So you can just come here at the top end of the Facebook and copy the link, and then you select and send it to the people you want to select and send. So that is all about this one. So I'm going to quickly show you guys the pricing, the price for people that want to. Okay, yeah, that's it. So if you want to know how to upgrade your plan, so that you'll be able to access all of these features, you have to come to a browser on your Facebook. You can't do it on your your Zoom app. You have to do it on your Zoom. You have to come literally to this place and type zoom.us on your Chrome browser or any browser you are using, and it brings you to this page. It shows you sign in. You have to sign. I'm already signed in. If you sign in, if you want to sign in, you can sign in with your Google ad, or anyhow you sign into your account. Sign in and or sign up is free as well. You can just sign up or sign in if you don't have an account at all. Now, when you immediately are inside your Zoom, you come to plans and pricing. When you come to this, if you get to these plans and pricing, you will see every kind of plan you want. See, everybody has a free default Zoom that can give you up to 100 participants and 40 minutes per meeting, and then of course every other thing. Now, if you want to go for higher packages, you can quickly come to the Pro here. This one is $149 per year. Don't mind them all. If you want to do per year, it's good for you, but you can select per month. If you come to this place, you can do this one. When you do then you have all these other ones that are all annual sales. Okay, they are all on annual billing. So what you do is, when you click on buy now, it shows how many licenses you need. One. If you click more than one, it will read higher price. Okay, so what you just need to do is you come here, you see all of this one. This is the one you're talking about. This is what you want to buy. The annually is $12, so they bill you once. So you come here and click, on monthly billing. That's $14, which is about 7,000 naira thereabout, and that is what you do. Then when you click on continue, I'm not going to click on continue, I already have a plan, so I'm going to click on price and cancel. When you are logged into your Zoom, if you want to view your history, your payment, maybe your Zoom was running and then it stopped running, and you're wondering what's happening, you want to pay your money. What you want to do is you log into your Zoom on your browser, and then you come, when you log in, you're inside your account, you come by the right end and you click, you see all of this. You click and you see all of this. All you just need to do is just to keep scrolling down until you get to account management. Or if you're confused, you can just come to this place that looks like a chat button and type invoice, my invoice. If you chat on this guy, this is bold, you just say my invoice. It will direct you on how to get to your invoice. Now, where is my invoice? So that's it. So now this is my own invoices. Okay, so this one will just give you direction on how you get to your invoice, and that is it. So this is it. So now you can print this one, or you can pay for it. You know, the ones that will be paid for, you see the one that are pending, you can just clear them, click on it, and then follow the prompts, and then you clear all of them. I don't have any pending invoice, that's why it's here. So this is more like the end of today's class. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to talk about a particular thing on Zoom. I will make my findings and I will make a video for it. Okay, now for the next classes, I'm going to be telling you more about how to operate a lot of other apps that are very lucrative online, and that is what this channel is all about. If you have not subscribed to this channel and you have watched this video till this end, it means you really like the content of this channel. All you just need to do is just to subscribe. It's free of charge. Click on, just scroll down this video